Hello everyone, myself Krishna Ghute, and today I am here with a video how I performed the hypothesis testing for my this project. In previous video, I had given you a full overview of my project. Today we are going to talk about a small section of this project, which is hypothesis testing. This was my project, which I had showed you already in overview. After that, I had made many changes, and currently I had deployed this project online also. So our today's session is about hypothesis testing. See here, Maharashtra basic working model. So first, in last video, I had told you Marathwada have a very serious drought problem, and for that I have to perform a hypothesis. So first thought come in my mind, like there are multiple dams, so can we connect them? Then I searched on Google and I get information like there are multiple long pipelines of LPG and waters which are connected. Also, I get to know about pipeline which in Tamil Nadu. Uh, so there is a lot of elevation means first source point and destination point. Means initial point and end point are have very big elevation. So they attached six motor in that paths to push that water on upper levels. Let me show you few pipelines of LPG and likewise. Okay, we will go in images. So here you can see there are multiple pipelines which are connected, and these are multi-state going pipelines. Like here you can see there is a pipeline which is going from Pune, Mumbai, what Manmad, and Indore in Madhya Pradesh. Likewise, here is Marathwada region. I had showed you in previous video. So I also thinking that there are multiple dams, like 1,000 dams in this area. Like you can consider below Pune and that Manmad, there are thousands of dams. And similarly, as we are looking this line, we can connect multiple reservoirs, dams, lakes, which have 12 months of water, 12 months of continue river flow. So we can connect that dam with a dam which don't have water. So this was my initial hypothesis. So for that, I had this is no same notebook. I had started making a hypothesis. So initially, I had decided to use GeoPandas, Matplotlib, and Shapely.geometry point for the construction of map and that hypothesis. But later on, I there was multiple problems in model import and export. So I leave that plan and try to make a new attempt with Matplotlib and he also use animation. Maybe you know uh, that we can animate on Matplotlib. See here, there is a Matplotlib library. In that, there is a small function which is animation. So by calling animation, we can perform animations which repeat in loop. Like if you create animation of 5 minutes, then that 5 minute video will get repeated in loop. So likewise, see here, here are multiple what parameters which you can tune, multiple functions which you can use. You have to see here. Likewise, see this is a graph, and you can see it is an animated graph which is working here. You can see here it's an animation which is generated by Matplotlib. So likewise, if I my mind was thinking like if I connect a map uh, and on that I perform these animations of dam. I will show you further how that happened. So for the hypothesis, I created five dams. Okay, you can see here there is a dam. I had created it in dictionary, what we can say, list of dictionaries. Okay, and created five dams. with different axis locations. And then I had set a season like I am creating approx 365 frames for a year. Then which frames are representing monsoon, winter, and summer? Because in the real world there are three seasons in our India, especially in Maharashtra. So I take that season. And then how storage work in that dam, like in which seasons if flood come, then what range of parameters it have to use for storage. Likewise, I had set all the parameters for dam, and also tuned that dams for with different parameters, like each dam perform different because it is on a different geological location. Then set up some values. And here I had used that animator function which we had importing from Matplotlib, and then saved that with pillow writer. See here, this is a pillow writer which is used to save that animation, and it also combine all that created frames in a FPS. So you get a result like here you can see here I get result in the form of GIF, because and this GIF is rendering all that 365 1 year frames. And I am getting a video which is a simulation. And I can uh, this can be used to showcase what I am thinking. Okay. Then see, this is dam water management simulation. In the results, you can see, just a second, this is dam water management simulation. This also we can access from here. This is a path of my uh, this Jupyter notebook. And results. And here you can see that simulation. I had created dam 5. Okay, you can see here there are 5 dams which I had created with dam 1, dam 2, dam 3. And likewise here are also that 5 dams. And likewise days are going on and different seasons are coming. You can see here. First observe that only. Later on I tell you how I go and deep down. Then you can see again a year started, and this is the cyclic loop. Okay. Then in the winters water get full, in the summer water have to be decreased, like you can see here. But it's a drastic change. Okay. So what I did, I make the multiple attempts to make a structural and fluent procedure. So here is, you can see, I had made this with more clarity, like given best parameters. Yeah, I had used here Google information. Like you can, if you go and search for AI mode, or if you use Gemini as assistant, then it brings you very clear information. If you give you that geological location all and tell you your idea, what you are thinking and what you need, then it creates very best parameters for you. Like here you can see, initially I was created this simulation, but later on I have to take help of AI and other real life sources. So here you can see, I had given best parameters, created multiple scenarios, and after all these processes I had created these 5 results. Then in second dam, you can see I had created this with result. Now it is showing pattern, like this is a upper dam. Then these are a mid dam on lower elevations, and before below that these dams are here. Okay. Likewise, this green arrow was telling that it require help. Red arrow telling that uh, we can send water from this dam to this dam. Okay. And as water move from higher levels to lower levels, so upper dam is on highest level. And then there are these other dams. Let me show you another hypothesis model which are going with real life map. Okay. First I created this single model simulations, and then I integrated map with it. So you can see here days are moving. Currently there is summer is coming. So Vishnupur and Jaikwadi Dam is near Aurangabad. Vishnupur is in Nanded. So this dam get dropped, and they are asking water for Manzargaon, and Jaikwadi asking to Bandardara. In the monsoon, Bandardara get flooded, and this water can be sent to the Jaikwadi and Manzara Dam. Likewise, this system work. In the winter, most of the situations are stable, so there is no need of water. Okay. So Likewise, I had kept tuning all these models, and at the end, I get a best parameter, like you can see here. Then I had converted these to video, so you can pause and watch all the things. So you can see here in the summers, this Vishnupuri dam going below 20 level. So if this arrow become red, it means that here is water emergency in Vishnupuri dam, and as Manjalgaon dam have water above 50%, we can send it to Vishnupuri. Or there is a web connection like from Manjra to Manjalgaon to Vishnupuri. Also, Bhandardara is connected to Manjra dam. So by this way, we can send water till Vishnupuri. So this is a efficient use of water. And for more information, there is a Metcosis company, which is a water resource manager of Israel. Let me show you. So what that company did is, we know there is 70% of water on the land. Sorry, 70% of land is covered with water. There is a lot of water, but only 3% or very few water is drinkable and usable. So we have to uh, use that water wisely. So what did Medicosis do is, yeah, this company did this large scale project and use Israel water very efficiently in the country. Like they use approx 80 to 90% of water which is going to be in the sea or which will be wasted. So they use these pipelines. You can see here there are multiple plants which they do, and through pipelines they rotate all that water internally. So likewise we can do in our India also. And for the more information, our India government uh, was planning approx 30 canals. uh, Means they are digging 30 canals which will be distributing water in multiple states. And likewise, Maharashtra government had a vision to make such system since 2012. I had read this in newspaper, and also they had allocated budget of approx 27,000 crores for such projects. But this is a inter-district plannings. So making this type of pipelines are possible may not be possible because of multiple reasons are there, political issues, financial issues. uh, but this was my initial idea, and this was the final hypothesis which I had performed. Like you can see in winter, most of the waters are stable, but as summer comes, that Vishnupuri and Jayakwadi dam getting lower water. So they are asking for Bhandardara, like Vishnupuri asking a major help for Manjalgaon dam. So in monsoon, Bhandardara dam get flooded, which is near to the Nashik, and it can send water to the Jayakwadi and Manjra dam. So this was my idea, and in the next video, uh, we will discuss about how I get that data, because this is a hypothesis which is performed on a lower data. But for the data collection, uh, we need web scraping because government dams data are available on online. So I had need to scrap them. So this is also interesting process of a data science life cycle where you need to collect data. So stay connected with me, like and share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.